Ever thought of your DNA as a hard drive? Get ready to have your mind blown. 1 gram of DNA can hold over 433 petabytes of data. That's like squeezing the entire internet into a speck of dust. Microsoft is already diving into this futuristic tech. They've managed to convert data's zeros and ones into DNA's C's, T's, A's, and G's. So, how does it work? They write the data into DNA, store it, and then read it back, converting it back to digital form. So, essentially, they've created a DNA hard drive. Imagine storing 13.5 billion years of data, the age of the universe, in a single human body. That means you are a walking, talking universal library. Everything that's ever happened since the dawn of time could theoretically be stored within you. It's like we're all part of a cosmic network connected through quantum entanglement. In this vast universe, separation is just an illusion. We're all connected in ways we're just beginning to understand. Mind-blowing, right?